मुझे पढ़ना लिखना है, इल्म की राह पर हमको यूं ही चलना है। I love the educators. I love the educators. I love the educators.
Assalamu alaikum, grade 5 students. Today we will learn lesson 4 of unit 2. Lesson 4 of unit 2 is about sentences. The first exercise present on this page is listen to the dialogues and number the subjects 1 to 6. Students, now there are 6 dialogues that I'll read and you will listen to them, and then we will give numbers to these subjects according to the dialogue. Means if in first dialogue they are discussing about food, we will give food number 1, and we will see what's the topic of dialogue number 2, then we will give that subject number 2, and number 3, 4, 5 up to 6. And the exercise number 2, listen again, complete these sentences with verbs from the dialogue. Here again, this exercise is from the same 6 dialogues. We have to fill these blanks in, or we have to complete these sentences with verbs, and those verbs we will use from the dialogues that we will learn now. So let's read dialogues. Dialogue number 1 is, dinner lady, what are you going to have for lunch, Emma? Emma, what's that? Dinner lady, that's lamb with carrots. Emma, oh, no thanks. I will have a slice of pizza, please. So in dialogue number 1, they're talking about food. Dialogue number 2 and 3. Are you going to play in the match tomorrow, Irfan? I don't think I can, Tahir. I have hurt my ankle. Oh no, that's bad luck. I'll ask Kamal if he's free. So students, in dialogue number 2, they're talking about sports. Dialogue 3. Friend, where are you going for this summer, Max? Max, we are going to Spain for 2 weeks. Friend, what are you going to do there? Max, the usual, swimming and things. And I am going to learn to ride. Friend, a horse? Take care then. So students, in dialogue number 3, they're talking about holidays or vacations. Let's see the subjects in previous lesson, and then we should fill 1 to 3, then we will go for the dialogue number 4. Look here, number 1 is food, because in first dialogue they're talking about food, and the second dialogue they're talking about sports. So you will write in front of sports 2. And in third dialogue, they're talking about holiday. So you will write in front of holiday number 3. Let's learn dialogue number 4 and dialogue number 5 and 6. Let's start with 4. Answer phone message. So this is a message. Here's a message for Mariam. Hi Mariam, it's Parveen here. I have just got home and it's about 10 past 6, and I'll be in all evening. I'll try you again later. Bye. 5. Friend, what are you going to looking for, Saira? Saira, I'm going to buy a CD with my birthday money. Friend, have you decided which one yet? Saira, no, not yet. I'm just having a look right now. 6. Friend, which DVD have you got there, Alice? Alice, it's the Sunken City. I'm going to watch it this evening. Friend, oh, is it good? Alice, I don't know yet. I'll tell you later. So let's see what they are talking about in dialogue 4, 5 and 6. In dialogue number 4, what they are doing? They're talking about cinema, shopping, or telephoning. Let's see the dialogues again, then you will tell me. In dialogue number 4, they're talking about phoning. And in dialogue number 5, they're talking about shopping. And in dialogue number 6, they're talking about cinema. So you will put number according to the subjects and according to dialogues. Let's see. This is the answer key of exercise 1. Food number 1. Sports 2. Holiday 3. Telephoning 4. Shopping 5. Cinema 6. Let's do exercise 2. Emma says, number 1. Emma says she will have a slice of pizza. Number 2. Tahir says he will ask Kamal if he is free. Number 3. Max is going to learn to ride a horse. Number 4. Parveen says she will try to phone Mariam later in the evening. Number 5. Saira says she is going to buy a CD with her birthday money. Alice is going to watch The Sunken City. So you will write these all blanks and you will do exercise 1 and 2 as I have taught you. I hope you understood. Now there is exercise 3 on same page. Read the dialogues and correct one mistake in each of them. So students, here are some mistakes. Those mistakes we have to underline and then we will write with pencil the correct words. You will do like I have done on your textbook. You will underline where there is mistake and then in front of that sentence you will write the correct words. Let's start from number 2. There are no more eggs in the house. B. Oh, in that case, I'm going to get some tomorrow. So here mistake is I am going. In place of this you will write I'll get some tomorrow. 3. A. Have you got a video to watch this evening? B. Yes, mom, we will watch The Sunken City. So you will underline here will, it is wrong. What's the right? We are going to watch The Sunken City. Number 4. A. I can close this window, Grandpa. B. Don't worry, I'm going to do it for you. In place of I'm going to, you will write I will do it for you. Sentence 5. A said, what are you planning to do on Saturday? B. On Saturday morning, I'll do some shopping. You will underline will here and you will write I am going to do some shopping. Sentence number 6. A. Somebody is knocking at the door. Knock karna means khatkhatana. B. Oh, I am going to go and open it. You will underline I am going to these 3 words and in play or go also you can underline but it will remain same. You will write oh, I will go and open it. So these are the mistakes and these are the corrections. So you have to write as I have written. I hope you understood. Do these first three exercises in your textbook. Dear students, now the next is practice the dialogues with your friends and make up some more using your own ideas. These dialogues you'll read yourself and then you will practice with your friend, cousin, sister or brother. I hope you learned and understood properly. Allah Hafiz.